Alright guys, so what I'm going to be showing you here really soon is me messing around with a mini metal lathe. Now, I'm going to tell you guys right now, I ain't no pro. This is my first time ever messing with a mini lathe. Any lathe at all. So, had a bit of fun with it. I'll be using it again sooner or later. And so yeah, have fun watching. I appreciate it. And here we go. Okay, I got the mini lathe going. I've never used it before, not even once, so this is my first shot. So I need to get this down to fit right inside of here, which of course, if I can find my little caliper dealy things, which are, yep, there they are. Okay, so the inside of, let me turn it so you guys can see it, is, see, it's close to it's about 10 millimeter. Let me bring it around this way. So right there. So far, I am, well, it's going to take a while. Let's just put it that way. So let's see how well this new phone does with vibrations, because I don't have this thing mounted down, so we'll give it a shot. Okay. Put your glasses on. Go ahead and measure it. It's getting there, so bring it right back up. Now, I haven't ever used one of these before. I got one to learn how to use one, so so far fun. Oops. There. And you guys are seeing this real time. Let's go ahead and check it again. Oh, it's getting there. It's getting there. Slowly but surely. Yeah. By the way, who is Shirley? Where'd that saying come from? So let's go ahead and measure it again. Oh, it's real close. Okay. Let's bring it right up to the edge there. Bring it right in to about there. Okay. Again. Check it again. Got a little bit of crap on there. I think one or two more passes will do quite nicely. Let's go ahead and bring it right back up and crank it in a little. Don't want to go in too far, but there we go. Okay. I want to take it real nice and slow. These bits here, or whatever they're called, anyhow, they're not exactly the greatest. I have some good ones, but I don't have that piece yet, and haven't needed it. Haven't needed to use this until now. Yeah, I haven't needed to use this until now, so I never really thought about, getting more of these pieces here. And I did replace the chuck here. I did replace that. That was a must, because it was a three jaw chuck, which is this one here. This one here is a 4. Kind of like that better, really. Let's see. Bring there, and let's see. Pinch more in. Now there ain't going to be any pressure on this. I'm not worried about it breaking or anything like that. It'll be JB welded onto inside this piece here. It'll be JB welded in there, so I'm not too worried about that. Let's see. Again. Wow, it's like right there. I think just a tad more, and it'll be good to go. You know what well, what do you guys think? Should I try drumming that out? Let's do one more pass, because one more pass, that should be good. And I want it to fit in tight. If I can tap it in there, that would be best. Then it'll be held in with pressure, and I kind of like that idea better. Let's see. Pinch more. Right there. Okay, let's go again. check it again. Yeah, that can be tapped in now. I think that will work just fine. Let me go ahead and get the front of it there cleaned up, shall we? Yeah. Let's see. Actually, let me go ahead and move this to where it'll be more straight. There we go. Okay. And then bring that one there and bring this in. Yeah, I know. I'm a newbie, you know. So what? I'm having a little bit of fun here, you know. Yeah, this is a little bit of fun. Go ahead, bring that out because I want this at an angle. You know. Oop. Right about here. And don't worry, I won't take my finger off. And if I do, I'll mail it to someone. I'm just kidding. Let's see. What about there? Okay, let's do it again. And I think that, yeah, I think that should do. Let's go ahead and pull this thing out and take a look. Okay. Whew, I know, right? It looked like something that the cat drug in. Let me lower this down a bit. Okay, so have this here. There we go. See if it'll stay up like that. So I want to make the, oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh wow, look at that. Yep, fit right in there. Of course, I'll use some JB Weld because it has almost zero play. This thing's actually pretty cool. It's the first time using it, so I actually think it's pretty cool. Go figure. I will have to trim this down. Now let me tell you what this is for. Sit down in my old rocking chair here. All right. Yeah, I know my welds are crap. All right. So I'm making a catch can. Had to redo the bottom of this. And this is for a mini bike that I'm building. No big deal, all right? So this here, I want to cut it about short, right about there, roughly. And that will basically, I'll take that, and you know what? Hold on a second. Hold on. Give me a second here. So I can set you guys down on proper table. Try to sit, you know, down like that. All right, so this here will sit down in here, all right? This here needs to drop lower than this hole here because the basically an air filter is going to go right there. Right where that little hole is, basically like that. But this is for a view sight or whatever you call it to see how full it is. I'll show you that in a minute. So this here will drop down below. All right, right about there would be good. You know, or halfway down is even better. So if I was going to drop it halfway down, it'd be, yeah, about there. Now on the bottom here, I'll drill that out. I'm going to put a ball valve in it for draining, you know, this here. So it's just a little project. I'd built one of these before. a while back. I think I may have shown it. I'm not exactly sure if I did or not. But check out some of my other videos. It might be in there somewhere. Built it for a bike. Basically, I like homemade things. I mean, don't get me wrong. Oh, got some crap in there. I like store-bought stuff that looks perfect. But anyone that's ever seen my videos, none of my stuff is perfect. None of it. I like to put my own touch into it. So this, don't worry about that. I have to grind that. Yeah, I just welded it up, you know, because I found that I had to grind it a little bit too much, and I was like, nope, that won't work. So anyhow, let me get this piece pressed in, or well, actually glued in there. Have this heavy duty, crazy JB weld that's for shit like this. So let me go ahead and get that done, and I'll be right back. Okay, and I'm back. It's been a little bit of time. So anyhow, this is pretty much how it's going to look. It's all glued in, threaded in, so forth and so on. Still have to get the ball valve. I'll order that later. So I made that one piece that you guys seen that drops down from that piece, and it goes right about there. So that's about halfway down. So I figured, why not? You know, that'll do. So got that done. Got it polished up a little bit, not too much. Got it all grinded down, so forth and so on. And so yeah, all I have to do is get the ball valve, and then this piece here should be done. So wanted to show you guys, see what you guys think about it. It's technically not all that bad, really ain't all that bad. So there we go. Thanks for watching, guys. I appreciate it. Like, subscribe, leave a comment, and I'll be talking to you guys really soon.